Ready? So uniform beam AB of mass 45 kg. So total length is how much? 7 and 9, 16. So because it is uniform, this will act exactly at the center. So 45 kg. 45 kg means 45 times g. G value being 9.81 meter per second square. Length is 16 meters. Rest horizontal length support C and D. AC is 5. Okay, the same thing which is given in diagram is explaining here. When the child stands at A, the beam is on the point of tilting about point C. So some child is standing here. Okay.
Yes.
And it is at the point of tilting. At the point of tilting means it will tilt in this direction. Okay. So this point is not a hinged point. It is just a simple support. It's just a simple support. So when it is at the point of tilting, the reaction at D will become 0, no?
Yes.
Okay. At the point of tilting
Yes.
about point C. So find the mass of the child he's asking. So mass of the child, let us say it is M. So M into G will be the weight acting here. And that is what we are supposed to find. Okay. So here as well, we are not interested in the reaction at C. So we need not take sigma V. We can directly go for sigma M. Sigma M about C point, if we take, the reaction at C will anyway cancel out and we will directly get the result. So now mg is the weight acting due to child, that is acting at 5 distance. This one is going in anti-clockwise direction, so plus, and then 45g. At what distance is this acting? We know that this is a uniform rod, so this distance will be half of 16. Half of 16 means 8. If this distance is 8, 8 minus 5, this will be, no? 8 minus 5. And this one is moving in clockwise direction, so it has to be negative. And then we have RD. RD is becoming 0 anyway, so 0 into anything is 0, है
Yes.
So RD itself becomes 0. RD itself becomes 0. So whatever is the distance, it doesn't matter. So distance is okay. Whatever is the distance, it doesn't matter. The 0 into anything is 0. Or plus or minus also doesn't matter. So total should not be equal to 0. So 5 mg, and 8 minus 5 is 3. So 345. 45 into 3g. What? Okay, we are supposed to find the value of m, right? So this total should be equal to 0. So m is the value we are interested in finding. So 5 mg equals 45 into 3g. So g and g will cancel out. M value will be 5, 9. 9 3 is 27. 27 kgs. 27 kgs. We should not write this in newtons. Okay. If you want to find in newtons, you have to get the value of mg. Mg, where g value is again 9.81 meter per second. Clear?